Hello, I am host of Tips and Tricks by Zeekay. For complete health solutions, please watch complete video. Trait is number 16. Pain which is yet to come could be avoided. The important point which is mentioned here is that we should live in prison, so that you can avoid any suffering that may come to you. Now you may ask, how can I live like this? You have so many choices every day about how you should live. While doing so, you should be mindful about your age, your limitations, and your behavior with others. We'll give you 7 tips here. I would like to highlight 7 ways that you may choose to stay fit, healthy, and contented. 1. If you are a normal healthy person, once in a month observe fruit day and eat only fruit to give rest to your digestive system and improve your metabolism. Depending on the season, there are varieties. We need to remain fit. The most marvelous things about humans is that we are all different from each other. Everyone is unique in so many ways, at physical level, mental level, emotional level, spiritual level. So it is important to find out about ourselves, how to stay fit and healthy. Good health is one of the priorities of our life because it is our swadharma, duty towards ourselves. If we are fit and healthy, we do not face the miseries of sickness and pain. Maharshi Patanjali advised Shayam Dakamanajatam. This sutra comes in 2nd chapter of Patanjali's Yoga S. Of fruits available, fruits are easily digestible and generate energy and alertness. 2nd, water is most important element because your body also is made up of around 60% of water. Experts always advise you to drink sufficient water every day. Now, if you want to make this habit more interesting, twice in a day drink warm water with pinch of salt and lemon. This will detox your system naturally at regular interval. 3rd, to be fit and healthy, we have to be active and use our muscular and skeletal system. Once a day practice yogasanas, which stretches your spine in 6 different ways. Upward side wall bending, forward and backward bending, twisting and inwards. These asanas strengthen the muscles of your spine and improve your posture. 4th, breathe twice a day. Sit or stand with your shoulders relaxed and then inhale for 3 counts and exhale for 3 counts. Practice 4 rounds office breathing rhythm. This kind of breathing is called as equal breathing, and it has the power to dramatically change your emotional state by inducing calmness within seconds. 5th, take a break from the constant chatter of your mind for 10 minutes every day by sitting comfortably in a quiet place, preferably in an open nature. Close your eyes, make your spine straight, relax your shoulder, and passively observe your breathing. Just observe without exaggerating your breathing pattern. You will experience that gradually your breathing will become rhythmic and your mind relax. 6th, in your daily schedule, make it a point to give 10 minutes every day. Attend to the potted plants, decoratea windows. Try some new recipes. This will rejuvenate your whole being, and you will find more creative ways to express yourself. 7th, once a week involve yourself in some selfless voluntary activity, like helping the elderly, cooking food for someone who is sick, teaching underprivileged children. If you work around, you will find plenty of such opportunities. This will help you to develop empathy for other people and definitely make you a better person. Follow these 7 ways and discover better and fitter version of yourself. You will see that the time that you devote to these activities will enrich you in many ways. And finally, learn to be grateful for all the blessings that you have received in this life. Blessing. For more informative videos, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Stay healthy. See you with another video. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.